Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Bank of America app. This guide will walk you through the process of navigating and utilizing the app's features to manage your accounts efficiently. First, download and install the Bank of America app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, tap the app icon to open it and click on Get Started. You will be prompted to sign in with your online banking credentials or enroll if you are a new user. After signing in, you will be taken to the account overview page where you can view all your linked accounts, including checking, savings, and credit card accounts. From this page, you can also access the app's main menu by tapping the menu icon. The main menu provides access to various features such as account activity, transfers, bill pay, and mobile deposit. To transfer funds, select the transfer option and choose the account you want to transfer from and to. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. To pay bills, select the bill pay option. Choose the account you want to pay from. Add a payee, enter the payment amount, and confirm the transaction. You can also set up recurring payments for regular bills. The mobile deposit feature allows you to deposit checks remotely by taking a photo of the check with your mobile device. To use this feature, select the mobile deposit option. Choose the account you want to deposit to. Enter the check amount, and take a photo of the front and back of the check. In addition to these features, the Bank of America app also provides account alerts, budgeting tools, and credit score monitoring. You can customize account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, and other account activity. To get the most out of the Bank of America app, make sure to regularly update the app to access the latest features and security enhancements. Also, always use a secure internet connection and keep your device and app up to date to protect your account information. By following these steps and utilizing the app's features, you can efficiently manage your Bank of America accounts on the go. The Bank of America app provides a convenient and secure way to access your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks, all from your mobile device.